Hey, what is up guys? Spencer here, and today I wanted to show you this really unique and rare amplifier receiver that we got. It's a SAE R102, and SAE stands for Scientific Audio Electronics. This is a computer direct line receiver, and something that's cool about it is whenever you turn it on, the balance here, so you could turn up the volume. You can see that the balance controls each side independently, which is really cool and makes it easier to tell where you're at on the balance. Then it's got the tuning, treble and bass adjustment, and then it's got a phono connection, and it is capable of hooking up 4 speakers. It's a 4-channel amplifier. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of it. But also, you can see right here it's got the wooden side panels still on it. They're both in excellent shape. And something that's nice here, if you were to want to put this in a rack, you could easily do that just by removing the side panels, and then you've got the screw holes right there. So let's spin it around and I'll show you the back. And then on the rear panel, you've got a FM antenna connector, just the standard modern screw-on or the slide-on one, and then you've also got the more so old school standard AM FM wire screws right there. And you could see this was assembled in Korea, Scientific Audio Electronics. And then right here you've got your phono connection for your record player, and then an auxiliary or CD player connection, 2 different tape connections, and then all of your speaker outputs. And this does do 50 watts per channel, or 200 watt max total. So this one is really special just because, for one, it's really heavy, which means it was built extremely well. And then it's also in excellent condition. There are some signs of wear, but there isn't really too much. Overall, it's in excellent shape. So it is really heavy, but also overall the build quality is just better than other units. This is going to be more of the flagship type stuff rather than just like basic equipment. If you're looking to buy one of these nifty units, you can go to our website at SpenCertified.com and order online, or you can find our phone number on our website and give us a call, and the link and the phone number will be in the description of this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.